Considerations when using infrared thermometers. It's not as simple as some suppliers would have you believe. It's not point, pull the trigger and read the measurement. Infrared thermometers are equipped with sophisticated optics that measure radiated heat. All objects have the ability to absorb and emit radiated heat, but at different values. There are two important factors that can drastically affect the accuracy of a measured value. One being the spot size and the second being emissivity. I will deal with the spot size first. Infrared thermometers measure temperature of a flat surface area. The spot size is the ratio based on the distance from the thermometer to the object being measured. The nearer to the object, the smaller the area of measurement. When an infrared thermometer is equipped with a laser, the laser dot indicates the centre point of the area being measured and not the focal point of measurement. Measurements should be made as near to the object as possible. The thermometer can measure at reasonable distances, but the accuracy of the reading can be affected by external sources such as dust, smoke, steam and even light. It has to be considered that when taking measurements from a distance, the surface spot size could include surface areas not intended to be measured. Now I will cover emissivity. Emissivity is a term based on the object's ability to emit radiated heat. The scale is from 0.1 to 1 and takes into account the colour, the surface finish and the reflective nature of the object being measured. 0.1 is the emissivity value associated with very shiny objects such as steel. 1 is the value associated to matte black. Some infrared thermometers feature adjustable emissivity, but it is very difficult for a user to accurately determine the correct value, taking into consideration the whole colour spectrum and taking into account the reflective nature of the intended object to be measured. The error in the accuracy of a measured value can be as much as 30% of the reading, just based on emissivity. A simple way to overcome this is to paint a small area of the object to be measured matte black, or paint a piece of masking tape matte black and stick it to the surface of the object being measured. Black ball paint or an aerosol from a car accessory shop will do. It's not the thickness of the paint, but it has to be solid in colour. Calibration. We offer traceable calibration on infrared thermometers. When we calibrate infrared thermometers, we use a certified black body with an emissivity value of 0.95. Our standard calibration certificate is issued at 25, 50, 75, 100 and 150 degrees C. Additional points are available up to 300 degrees C at £8 per point. If you need any further technical information or advice on a specific application, please call our technical support department, who will be pleased to help.